All right, guys, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Now, I just wanted to do a quick video, quick car vlog. I was cleaning up the whip, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna pull over and do a quick car vlog on the Galaxy S9, S9 Plus. The S9 is a phone that I'm interested in, but you won't see that first on the channel. You will see the Galaxy S9 Plus, however, and I'm just gonna pick that up and get the review process going. Every year, same thing with Samsung. You know, you get to do their latest device. If you're into tech, you can live vicariously through tech reviewers, and it'll give you some idea of whether you want to keep your current phone or move on to the next. So, you know, a lot of times when phones come out, it's some people, you know, get up in arms about it. I do. You know, I'm human. I get excited about it, or, you know, I post my thoughts on it. But what I've done this year, or what I've done so far with the Galaxy S9, is I haven't watched anyone's videos, no unboxings and things like that. I saw some of the keynote. I didn't even really watch the keynote, actually. I saw some of it, and I just kind of turned it off. I was like, you know, I just want to, I've already seen all the leaks. I really personally don't like leaks anymore. I report them to you guys and rumors and stuff like that because a lot of you guys are into that, and I'm into it, but sometimes I want to be surprised. And nowadays, there's no surprise to what we're getting, and it's kind of a bummer. But you know, the Galaxy S9 pre-orders are live, and if you order from Samsung, when you go to your checkout, they tell you if you order by the 8th, you're guaranteed to get it by the 14th. If you choose next day shipping, you'll probably get it on the 13th. I don't know. If you order from T-Mobile, they tell you it'll ship out by the 13th. And, you know, if you order from Verizon or AT&T, same thing. You should have yours by the 15th, but you have to order by the 8th of March. Because at that time, that's kind of like the first wave. They want to get as many as possible. Now, they're out right now for the Galaxy S9. Samsung did things a little different as far as promos go. The only real promo that they have is that you give up your old phone, or you give up a Galaxy S8, or you give up an iPhone 8 or 8 Plus or iPhone X. And Samsung only offering $350. Now, I'm going to go ahead and say, now, I'm for the trade-in process. But I'm going to tell you guys to probably steer clear of giving up your very expensive phones that you just purchased in the last 6 to 8 months, and go find a pre-owned Galaxy S7, because you're getting $300 from Samsung if you turn one of those in. So I definitely will recommend that you do that. Don't give up your 8 Plus or X for $350. I know you guys are smarter than that, but some people, you know, do that. In the tech community, a lot of people know not to do that, but some customers, I've been inside of T-Mobile before, and I've seen customers giving up their iPhone 7 or 7 Plus for like $150 or $200. I'm like, what? Sometimes I want to say, hey, I'll give you $350 right now if T-Mobile's only giving you $300, you know, but you know, you got to be smart about it. So, the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, I think this year, the reason my way of thinking behind Samsung this year is they're deciding we're not going to keep giving customers a bunch of free things. You know, we already give them headphones in the box. We give them a headphone jack. We give them a fast charger. So we need to make some money, pretty much. So if the times get tough, though, you will see some promos. And right now, Samsung's winning, man. I mean, the Galaxy Note 8, the S8, the S8 Plus, they sold like hotcakes. And now, since Samsung decided to use a different strategy, they decided, okay, we're not going to bring the Galaxy S9 Plus at $950, because either way they're going to drop the S8 and the S8 Plus. They have to drop those. And right now, it's only $550 and $650 on the Samsung website, something like that. You can look at it, go to Samsung.com. So the prices are down. And then on T-Mobile, you've got a discount for both phones are $696 or something like that, or $700 for the S8 and S8 Plus. Even the Galaxy Note 8 is $870 right now. Cricket has a deal, and it's been going on for a while. Until March 29th, Cricket is giving you 50% off of the Galaxy S8 if you port your number over from a different carrier, excluding AT&T. So there's deals on the S8, and we know this is how it works. You know, you have to wait on the promos or the good deals for the previous generation device. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with buying a Galaxy S8 or S8 Plus, because you're obviously going to get a much better deal. Are you missing out on a few things? Of course. You know, you're not going to have the latest processor. You're not going to have the latest camera setup. You're not going to have the dual speakers. But after that, you're not really missing too much. The hardware is pretty much the same. You know, the camera positions are different. You know, they kind of play this a little bit by bringing out that whack design with the camera and the fingerprint reader over to the right. That was kind of crazy. But, you know, Samsung is a very successful company for a reason. You know, and I think the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus, that's going to be their breadwinners. You know, people are going to buy those phones. And if you're on Samsung's trade-in program, okay, so Samsung has a trade-in program through Samsung.com directly, where, you know, you agree to pay their $11.99 insurance pretty much. And then at the 12-month mark, you can trade in your phone. You know, that's it. And you just start over and do it again. I'm really not a fan of that. When I buy from Samsung.com, I just buy it. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, because I want the unlocked versions. Or sometimes I'll buy the T-Mobile version from them, because T-Mobile might have not been in stock or something like that. I've done that. I've also bought the AT&T versions before from Samsung. But, you know, I think the S9 Plus, you know, whether it's going to be a success or not, whether it's a great phone or not, no, we don't know yet. You know, all the reviews, no disrespect to the current people who have the phone, who got it, even though it's not out, who, you know, I know how that works. You know, they give you a demo device or they give you a phone. You can't buy you can't buy the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus right now. They're not for sale where you can physically go get it. You know, all the units that you see on YouTube were given to those people. And that's just a fact. Because I've been in those shoes before. So, respect to those people who are releasing those videos, but those aren't, you know, technically reviews to me because they're still in their testing phase. The phone has not been out that long. They haven't had it that long. And, you know, to post a review at this point, it's kind of like, okay, this is a first impressions review. So respect to that. However, you know, I think the real reviews on phones come, at about 3 to 6 months out, because that'll tell you how the phone is actually doing. So, you know, I don't know how long. I've kind of changed up things a little bit, and I've been releasing like multiple reviews on the same phone. Like I'll give you a 30-day update. I'll give you a 60-day or a 90-day or a 6 month, a 9 month, a year later. I think that's probably the best way to do it if I end up keeping the device, if it's something that I like. And, the Galaxy Note 8, which is what I'm recording this video with, front camera, I don't foresee myself ever giving this phone up. This phone is super hot. Even when the Note 9 comes out, I don't know that I would be willing to give this phone up. No way. I'd rather just have it, you know what I'm saying, and put my other SIM card in it, you know, and use it like that with the other phone number. But, you know, Galaxy Note 9 rumors are already circulating, but I don't really care about that at this point. I haven't even gotten my S9 Plus yet, and I'm ready to focus on that. So, once I get my review, my review out, or excuse me, when I get my unboxing out, then I might go ahead and start looking at some other unboxings. But you know, I like to have a fresh start for some phones, and that's just what it is. So, did you order the S9 or the S9 Plus? And also, which color did you get? Because I know there'll be a lot of comments saying, "Oh, don't order it." You know, there's, for whatever reason, hey, whatever. But for the people that are ordering, what color did you get and which model did you get? So one day I'll be able to say with Samsung, which memory option did you get? Because they just refuse to up this memory for some reason. It just doesn't make any sense. For the US models, they refuse to up that memory. You know, I think the cameras also have 60 frames per second and 4K. So I am so ready to test that out. You have no clue. But, you know, it is what it is. So I'm happy about it. And, you know, you will see it on my channel. And I just wanted to go do a quick car vlog. I haven't done like a video of me sitting in my car. Again, I cleaned the ride up today. I'm about to go home and wax it up. So I was at my house, but then I left and pulled over and ran some errands. And I thought, you know, I'm just going to sit over here and let the car dry off a little bit more, let it get some fresh air before I put it back in the garage and do a quick video. So it's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be sure to comment down below and share this video if you like on your social media. And I'll see you next week with some unboxings. Today is Saturday, by the way, March the 3rd. March 3rd. So I'll see you guys on Monday with on March 5th with an unboxing of several things. And I got some more phones that I bought. You know, we'll see how that works out. So it's your man Jay Will. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.